Hi everybody, I'm Sophia here at the Eskimo Public Library, and I will be sharing an artsy adults craft time with you that we are originally going to offer this Sunday. Elsie and I hope that this video will give you some crafty inspiration for spring while you stay safe and comfy at home. Today we are going to do egg dipping with nail polish and cups of water. All you need is a disposable cup or two, because if you use regular cups they're going to get messy, some cheap nail polishes, real or fake eggs. I got these fake ones from the dollar store for about $2. And something to stir with. A pencil, coffee stirrer, a stick, something that you're not afraid to get dirty as well. It's also good to have a table covering because you're probably going to make a little bit of a mess. Your hands will also get nail polish on them, so you might want some nail polish remover on hand. Okay, let's get started. First, you want to start out with a cup of clean water from the sink. The water should be deep enough so that you can fully submerge your egg, but not too deep so it doesn't come over the surface and make a mess. Next, you're going to put a few drops of a color onto the surface of the water. You have to do it gently, and ideally, the drops will float and spread out. Alright, next you're going to quickly and carefully pick another color. Let's try pink. And before the nail polish coagulates, get a few drops of the second color in there. Alright, one more maybe. That should be enough. Take your stirring implement and very carefully disturb the surface so that a marbling effect will occur. It's okay if it's a little messy. You don't want to fully submerge this or else it'll just coat the stick. Carefully dip the egg with the pointy side down first and fully submerge it. Alright, if it worked correctly, it will cover the egg and the marble nail polish will stick on it. Set it somewhere where you're not afraid to make a mess because it's going to take a few minutes to dry. And you can re-dip the bottom of this egg if you like later once the nail polish is dry. The most important part is to remember to have a clean surface on the water before you dip again. As you can see, there's a little bit of film. The film will prevent the next layer of nail polish from fully spreading out. You don't want that. So you can get it to stick to the side of the cup or to the stick. Alright, let's try one more egg. Let's try orange this time. It's a bright color. A little bit more of that film. Carefully put in some more nail polish. Pull it along a little bit here. Alright. Teal with that because there's a bigger contrast of color. Again, this make it on your hands or on the table, so be ready for a mess. Okay, pull it along carefully, but don't do it too much because it's going to dry very quickly. Dry egg, dip in. Ideally you'll have more than a few eggs to try this with because sometimes it'll come out better than other times. But you can also get a little creative with these chunks here. Maybe pull them along or wipe them off. No egg has to be perfect. Okay. So we're going to try this same technique on a larger surface here. See what happens. Let's get a little bit of drops in here of this beautiful pink color. Because it's a larger surface, we can sort of be a little bit hasty and spread it out more. Alrighty. Pick quickly but carefully put it down as well. Alrighty. Let's stick to 3 colors right now. Some blue. Dot down there really quickly. Alrighty. Let's make a beautiful color combo here. Alrighty. I got one of these dollar frames from Michael's. Let's see how that marbles. Let's take the cardboard backing out real quick so that nail polish doesn't stick to that. And don't forget to stir it a little bit. See, it's already starting to coagulate there. A little bit of spin in there. Push those chunks off to the side. Alrighty. And align that to dip it. Push down real quick. You got a neat effect for pretty cheap. Ooh, look, it looks kind of like forbidden cotton candy. Elsie and I hope you had fun watching us make a mess and try out some new things with nail polish. Hey, if you want to try this craft, why not tag us? We're on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. Let's see what you made. I hope you guys have a happy spring. Be safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.